In this video, we'll learn about agent coding. First, we'll go to the configuration section and click on agent coding. When the interface opens, we'll see the agent coding manage screen. Any agent we add in our system will be shown in a table here. The purpose of agent coding is to keep track of all the agents in our housing society. We need to store basic details of all the agents in our society. To add a new agent, click on the Add New button. The form that appears will have fields for agent name, father name, phone number, and address. You can also select the status to indicate whether the agent is active or inactive. To submit the form, click on the Save button. Once submitted, the details will be added to the table on the Manage screen, displaying 4 columns: agent name, father name, phone number, and action. If you want to edit or delete an agent's details, you can do so using the buttons provided in the Action column.